Hello everybody, Abdel here, and welcome to Abdel's Home Cooking. For today's video, I'm going to show you an easy and fast recipe on chocolate mug cake. A very fast and simple recipe for those nights when you're alone. What you see before you are the ingredients we're going to be using to make this dessert, and the mug we're going to use for this. We have 1.5 ounces of dark chocolate, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 egg, 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, and 2.5 tablespoons of flour. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below what you want to see me make in my next video, and share my channel videos with others to keep the channel growing. I'm already over 50 subscribers, mostly 52. So share my videos with others, and let's make this channel go higher than ever. With that said, let's get started. All right, first you put in the mug 3 tablespoons of butter. And 1.5 ounces of dark chocolate. Then you bring the mug to the microwave and leave it on for 40 to 50 seconds. Next, we stir in the melted chocolate and butter all together using a spoon. Next, we add in the sugar and the egg. And lastly, we add the flour. Then we bring our mug cake back into the microwave and leave it on for a minute. And just like that, we got our chocolate mug cake ready for dessert. Now it's a little hot. Since we just took it out of the microwave, so I suggest to keep it cool, let it cool down for now. Otherwise you'll end up with a burnt tongue and a burnt roof and a burnt mouth roof. So yeah, best allow it to cool down before you eat it. Anyway, thank you all for watching this video. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below what you want to see next. And share my video and channels with others to keep the channel growing. We're already at 50 subscribers, so let's hope we can reach more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.